During a meeting with the Tesla Owners Club, Elon Musk said that the Cybertruck pickup will reach the assembly line in mid-2023. Electrek writes about it. The head of Tesla noted that the design of the serial version of the Cybertruck, which became one of the main reasons for the delay, has finally been approved and will not be adjusted again. Musk admitted that the company got too carried away with making changes to the appearance of the pickup truck, which has been tweaked several times since the debut of the prototype in 2019. Other reasons for the delay include the problems with the availability of microelectronics common to all major manufacturers and various difficulties with logistics. The Cybertruck will be assembled at the recently opened Gigafactory Texas. At the same event, Musk noted that factories in Texas, as well as Berlin, are currently causing large losses to the company. The reason for the loss of money is the lack of batteries, which does not allow us to reach the planned production volumes, and interruptions in the supply of components from China due to the outbreak of the coronavirus. There is a lot of spending on the gigafactories, but there is almost no result. Now both sites look like giant furnaces for burning money. However, both one and the other plant are trying their best to increase the volume of production of electric cars from the moment of their opening in early 2022.